Producing video content and uploading it to YouTube will become a more important aspect of know, like, and trust in sales. Video gives a very strong impression about us. How we look, how we sound, are we trustworthy, how we relate to the audience. Are we authentic? We may be shy to video ourselves, thinking that we are not handsome or beautiful enough or smooth enough in front of the camera or attractive enough on tape with a microphone stuck in front of our face. Forget all of that. These are self-limiting beliefs. This will be the age of discovery by buyers before they ever meet us. This is how they will be searching for experts to bring solutions for the problems they face. They will be able to try us before they buy us by watching our video to see if we have the goods or not. So, don't concentrate on how we look and how we sound. Instead, ask, are we providing actual value? Our videos have to show we know something special about our subject and that we can be useful to the buyer.